Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Poppy Playtime low-level fatal error crash on PC, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is just make your way over to the search bar on the bottom left and go ahead and just type in the device manager. Once the device manager is open, you can make your way over to display adapters, and then you want to click on your GPU. Once you do that, right click on it and hit update drivers, and then once you see update drivers, it's going to ask you how do you want to search for drivers. You can go ahead and hit search automatically for drivers. If you don't want to do it this way, there is another way to do it for NVIDIA specifically. You can look for GeForce Experience on your desktop. Now, once you find GeForce Experience, you want to just go over to for it to load. But if you're on AMD, I recommend just doing it the first way because I'm not really sure how to do it on AMD. You could just manually install it by just typing in drivers, latest AMD drivers in Google, but I recommend just doing the first way if you are on AMD. But anyways, in GeForce Experience, just make your way over to drivers, and then it should say GeForce Game Ready driver. If there is an update, go ahead and update it. If not, then it's going to be a check and you're good to go. You can check for updates as well to make sure. But anyways, once you're done with that, you guys should be good to go. Either way, you just want to update your drivers and make sure to restart your PC after updating your drivers as well, because when you do, you should be good to go. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.